Dun 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 dun. We got a right. We got a right to party today at Dollar General. Yes, we do. I had a flashback. Yes, Beastie Boys flashback. Oh my goodness. We got a right to party today, guys. Yes. Check this out. From this Sunday to Tuesday only, we got a 5 off 25, and you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, welcome. Come on in. Jenny's super stoked and excited today. Yes, welcome to my house and hanging out with my crazy friends and me. And if you're new, I want you to come back. So look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, our good vibes, and our field trips. We don't want you to miss any of that. So subscribe. Do it now so you don't forget. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody for stopping back by. Please do all those deeds that show me your love, or not. By that I mean, it don't matter if it's a thumbs up, thumbs down. YouTube does not care, though I do. Which it is. They just want one. And they want a 3-word comment. Shows you're just not, being willy-nilly. And for me, if you'd watch one of those ads or just let them play and let the video play in its entirety all the way to the end, I truly appreciate it. It is what makes the videos work for folks, because then they'll put us out there for other folks to see us. And that's what this is all about. Sharing and caring. And, well, the good vibes and smiles. Alright, guys. Enough with the giddiness. I had to get it out. I got so giddy when I seen this. This Sunday and Tuesday, through Tuesday only, $6.30 to $7.2. You're going to get an extra 5 off 25, okay? So $6.30 to $7.2. Make sure you clip this. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we've got an extra 5 off 25. Yes. So not only can we make and save money on the 5 off 25 for Saturday of the week, when the new coupons hit on Sunday, we can do an instant 5 off 25 then. Now, yeah, we got to get us an early activation deal going on, and we need to get us an early ad so we can see what we can get with this 5 off of 25 early. But check your accounts, guys. All your accounts, clip this coupon. Do it right now, just like me. Alright, that way you won't miss out on it. Next thing to talk about is this new filler earn coupon that we got on the Wick Scented Air Warmer, Oil Warmer. Boy, slap myself to get that out my mouth. We have 2 coupons for the Wick warmers. We've got a Save 2 and a $3 earn. Now, older operating system stores, this might glitch. Okay? If it does, well, you'll end up making money. So my suggestion would be, if you're around an older operating system store, go pick up one. See what happens. If you're picking up one, make sure you pick up something else for... if you're picking up one, it won't matter where your overage goes, because it's going to go in your pocket, because you're going to get that earn. So you won't need that extra item that we normally tell you to pick up. So just pick up one. You'll save $2 at the register. Means you'll pay $2. And if it glitches, you'll get $3 back in your spend account. And if it doesn't glitch, you can always return it if you don't want it. But you'll know that it's not glitching. Now, if it does glitch, then you know that you can use it again. But let's see how many uses this urn is for. It is for 3 uses. So you can do the $3 urn up to 3 times. So that's an excellent filler, guys. Alright, you would get back $9 if you use this as a filler in a 5 off 25. And you would only be paying 3. Or you're cleaning your carpets because, you know, it's that time of year. And you got company coming, you know, 4th of July. You got people coming over. You need to clean your carpets. Or you're prepping for when they leave and you're going to have to clean your carpets. Or just have some spot remover on hand. Especially if there's pets involved. Well, we got a $4 urn that can be used one time, but you got to purchase 2. These products are $6 on average. It's the Resolve carpet cleaning products. So you'll be $12. You'll be getting $4 back. That means you'll have a final out-of-pocket of $8 for 2. If you're buying bottled water for your 4th of July celebration, you've got $1 off a 24-pack of Aquafina. Guys, if you hear thunder in the background, it's because we're having a big thunderstorm, and that was a weather alert. So, just kind of excuse it if you hear it. Now, we've got these $2 urns on just, it's a one-time use. On the Palmolive or Ajax, they're $5.50. You got a $2 urn. But you also have an instant savings when you spend $5 on select Colgate brands, and this is included. Okay? So you could pick up, you have to spend $15. You could pick up one of these and a couple of Colgate. You got a couple of really good Colgate coupons and end up with a really good deal. And yes, with everything going on for 4th of July, you just might be sick of it. Who knows? But you might have chronic nausea, or, well, you might have morning sickness. But this is a new product. Mtrol. I'm assuming that's how it's pronounced, but you can use this urn up to 5 times. And this product is $6.75. We got a $2 urn on it. And it is Rapid Nausea Relief Liquid, guys. So if you got a child that gets motion sickness, or you, this might be what you need. And then a little treat for your fur babies. We got a $2 off on Busy Bones. It's working on the $5 Busy Bones. So you'll be paying $3 for Busy Bones for your dog. And it looks like we might have a new product, all free and clear dryer sheets. That means we will have the free and clear detergent and the dryer sheets, guys. That is a really good option. And we get that extra $5 off during the month. So if you've got sensitive skin or babies, and Dreft detergent is just a little bit too pricey for you, and we don't get a whole lot of coupons for the Dreft, this free and clear detergent, the all, and then use that with your Downy rinse, that should be all you need if you got really sensitive skin. Okay, now we've got to earn on some Purina Kitten Chow cat food. Now, you may have a cat and it may not be a kitten, but the kitten cat food's got a lot of extra benefits to it. So if you have an older cat too, that might be something that you might want to think of, giving that older cat some kitten food, not on a regular basis, but a couple times a week. Give it a little bit more vitamins that it normally doesn't get, and a few more nutrients. Now, the $2 urn can be used up to 5 times, and you can use it on the Natural Purina Nurture, which is $8.25, or you can use it on the Purina regular cat chow, which is $7.50. But right now, I think it is actually on sale. At least I think it was in my store. But either way it goes, you'll earn $2 off each one. So let's say we picked up 3 at $8.25 on Saturday. you would be at $24.75. You would need a quarter of something. You could pick up a can of cat food or a little Sheba single and make up the difference. But you would be getting back $2.46. You get back $6 in earns plus your 5 off 25 per Saturday. So you'd be saving $11 on your cat food. And still only use 3 of your earns. You would have 2 more earns to use later. So even though we didn't get a lot of really good new coupons this week, we still have lots of deals that we can make. And now that we've got that extra 5 off of 25 that we can use on Sunday, well, there's a lot of deals that we can be using it for. So blessings. We'll talk again real soon because there's more. Deals, deals, glitches, free stuff, and entertainment. If you can call my singing entertainment. Who knows? It's been a while since Dollar General's done anything that made me want to sing. See you next time, my crazy friends.